Good morning, students. Hope you're all safe and doing good. In the last class, we have learned about the monitor and the keyboard. The monitor on which we see everything, whatever we type using the keyboard, it is also known as Visual Display Unit, VDU. So monitor sometimes we refer as screen. It as if it looks like a TV screen. In fact, the video you are watching now is on a screen. That could be a mobile screen, that could be a desktop screen, that could be a laptop screen, whatever it is. But basically it is a screen, it's a display unit, it shows the video. You can also watch movies and cartoon films on the monitor. Okay, so now we move on to the next one, that is the keyboard. In fact, the keyboard has many keys on it. Whatever you type using the keyboard will appear on the monitor. For example, it has number keys, letter keys, like special keys like space bar, enter key, caps lock key, shift key, cursor keys, backspace key, and each one has a specific function. Now I will try to demonstrate the typing using different keys, and you carefully watch the video. And by any chance, if you have access to a computer at home, ask your parent to open a WordPad for you and try to use the keyboard. You can type the numbers, you can type the alphabets from A to Z, and try to experiment with the number keys, letter keys, space bar, practically what is happening when you are using that particular key. Please watch my video carefully when I am using the keyboard and what's happening on the monitor. Dear students, please have a look at the keyboard picture that is available in page number 4 of your textbook. Now, coming to the screen, just observe the screen. I am trying to type the number keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. I typed all the numbers. Now I am pressing the enter key. I am pressing the enter key so that the cursor, which means that blinking line, goes to the next line. See, I press the enter key. Now the cursor has gone to the second line. Now I am typing alphabets A, B, C, D. Okay, and now E I wanted to type capital E. Then I hold the shift button. And then type E. Then I get capital E. Okay, momentarily. To type capital letters, you have to hold the shift button and type M. Release and type M, small m. Hold the shift button and type M, you get capital M. It is as simple as that. So now letter keys are done. You try to type from A to Z. Now again I am pressing the enter key. See, the cursor has come to the next line. Okay, now I am again typing. Let us say, for example, name. N. I pressed shift key. While holding the shift key, I pressed the N. Now I released the shift key and I am pressing A and name. Now I am using a space bar. Just see, when I am pressing the space bar, what is happening? The cursor is moving towards right. One space it has given. If you want one more space, press again, it will give one more space. Press once again, it is moving towards right. Press once again, it is moving to right. Name. So try to put your name there. For example, I wanted to put my name. I will press the shift button and then type T, type S, type R, name TSR. Okay, and now I am pressing the enter key. See, the cursor is moving to the next line. Okay, now you have experienced what is space bar, what is enter key. Now let us see what is caps lock key. Now I am pressing the caps lock key. That means whatever you type will be typed in capital letters. Just see, A, B, C, D, space bar, okay, E, F, G, H, space bar, I, J, K, L. Now I want to type the remaining in the next line. Now I am pressing the enter key. Now I have pressed the enter key, so the cursor has gone to the next line. Suppose now I wanted to type a name. Let us see. Name. Whose name we will type? For example, Sachin. SACHIN. By mistake I typed N 3 times. Now I wanted to erase the extra letters. Now I am using the backspace key that is available on the keyboard. Once I am pressing the backspace key, see, one N is gone. Now again I am pressing the backspace key, see, another N is gone. Now it is correct. Sachin is the name. Okay. Now I am pressing the enter key. The screen automatically scrolls. You can see the cursor blinking there. Now I wanted to type Sachin in the lower case. That means using the lowercase alphabets. I am just clicking on the caps lock button again. Now it has gone to lowercase mode. Sachin. S-A-C. By mistake I typed C twice. Now I am using a backspace key. See, I am pressing the backspace key. It has gone. C has gone. Now H-I-N. Sorry, again N has come twice. So I am using the backspace key. This is the application of backspace key. Okay. Now you want to delete a character to the right of the cursor. Then you use the delete key. For example, I am typing Sachin. Now I use a delete key and let us see what will happen. Delete key. Nothing happened. Now I will keep the cursor in between these two C's and then press backspace key. Delete key. See, delete key deletes whatever is right to your cursor. Okay. Backspace key deletes whatever is left to your cursor. Just see once again. I am pressing delete key now. I has gone. I am pressing backspace key, H has gone. Again backspace key, C has gone. Again backspace key, A has gone. Now I am using delete button, N has gone. Now hope you have understood the difference between the backspace key and delete key. Basically these two are to erase the letters. One is to the left, the other towards the right. You just try to experiment on your own. It is so simple once you start using the keyboard on your own. Hope now we have covered number keys, letter keys, space bar, enter key, caps lock key, shift key, and backspace key, delete key. Now I will show you how to use the cursor keys. Now the cursor is at blinking at S. Now I want to move the cursor up. I am pressing the up arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Those are called cursor keys. Now I am pressing the upper direction arrow key. See, it has moved up. Again I am pressing it. The cursor has moved up. Now I am pressing the right arrow key. Just see. Again I am pressing the right arrow. See, right arrow, right arrow, right arrow, right arrow. Each time it is moving once to the right. Now I will use the left arrow key. Just see what's happening. Each time when I press the left arrow key, the cursor is moving one step towards the left. Suppose I press the down arrow key. See? Now I am pressing up arrow key. Up, 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 up. Right arrow, right arrow, right arrow, right arrow. I am pressing now left arrow, left arrow, left arrow, left arrow, left arrow. Now down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow. Like this, using the cursor keys, you can navigate the cursor top to bottom and left to right. Hope you all have enjoyed this lesson, and watch the video carefully, and if by any chance if you have access to the keyboard, ask your parent to open a Word document and you try to keep using the keyboard, practice the keyboard, type your name, class, section in capital letters, small letters, write the numbers, and just experiment and send me the video when you are doing that. Thank you. Bye bye.